Arriving at the Canada-Alaska border was a milestone for me. Crossing the border meant that I had now been to all 50 states. I made a heartfelt video thanking Rodney and my family that was so good it made Rodney tear up a little bit. Or at least I thought I made a heartfelt video. Turned out I made the rookie mistake of just taking a selfie and talking at my phone for a few minutes. Live and learn, right? While riding through British Columbia, we began to notice vast areas of dead or dying forests. When we stopped for the night in Fort Nelson, we ran into a man contracted by the Canadian government whose job it was to count, measure, and catalog all of the affected trees. The contractor informed us that the blight was caused by some invasive Asian beetle. Sadly enough, the amount of blight we saw should keep him busy for some time. Riding Highway 1 towards Anchorage is an unforgettable motorcycling experience. Rounding a corner draws back the curtain for one stunning postcard-worthy view after another. The ride is borderline culture shock. The Brits refer to riding ton up. Kerouac called it balling the jack. Rodney calls it railing. Whatever you want to call it, this road turns your wrist into lead. Our intercoms had run out of battery and we had no idea where we were going to stay the night, so we stopped on an exit ramp when we saw the city lights of Anchorage. We were jumping around like idiots, high-fiving and laughing while reminiscing about the ride we just had. Yeah, Highway 1 in Alaska is that good. So Rodney's been having to keep an eye on his exhaust. I think it's more tape than metal now. And now he's having tape issues. But this poor thing, so much tape. So yeah, your stories are incredible, man. We really appreciate all the advice and everything.
Yeah, and I think if you ask anybody along the way, that they'll be more than happy to kind of set you in the direction.
Cool,
That's
man.
one thing about Alaska. You're either going north or south, or literally east, west, kind of.
Cool, thanks.
Yep.
Some people go to church. We're going to therapy. Don't know what to order.
Order it all.
Had to stop here. No trip's complete without getting a t-shirt, so. And you Harley guys will understand. You guys travel from Harley shop to Harley shop, so. For t-shirts, so.
For t-shirts.
Yeah, that's what us BMW guys do too. So.
Cool deal.
Yeah. I don't know if I'd go that far, but yeah, we're gonna run in here, see what they got, see if they got anything that we didn't know we needed.